Hello foodies, this episode is on peanut potatoes recipe. You require 2 large potatoes boiled, peeled and diced. Oil for cooking, 5 to 6 crushed garlics. Pepper powder as per your taste, a pinch of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and cumin seeds. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 strings of curry leaves, half a cup of roasted peanuts and salt. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. In a hard bottom pan or any non-stick pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, regular cooking oil. Add the peanuts, sesame seeds and jeera, and roast until the sesame seeds pops out. Add in the garlic and let it turn brown. Add curry leaves. And the boiled potatoes. Add required amount of salt and cook until the potatoes turn a little brown for about 5 to 10 minutes. Mix everything together. Add turmeric powder and pepper powder as per your taste. And cook until the rasam leaves. Add the lemon juice and toss everything together. And our peanut potatoes are done. This recipe tastes great with rice, especially with curd rice or rasam rice. Now let's serve this. Hope you will give this recipe out a try and let me know your reviews and comments in the comment section box below. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to House to Home for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching House to Home.